What's up guys, Madhav here. So this video is more like a quick review of Miui 12, and later on I'll be showing you guys how you can install it right now in your device. So stay tuned for that. So I've been running this on my Note 7 Pro since yesterday, and here's my first impression. Like every OEMs, Xiaomi gives a major overhaul to its UI after two major updates. So Miui 10 and 11 were almost alike, and now Miui 12 has been completely redesigned. Well, almost. So right from the start itself, you will notice the new animations. There's an animation to everything, and yeah, they do look iOS here and there. But if it's good, then why complain? Like, even when uninstalling an app, the UI is affected altogether. Look at how the other apps react to it. Xiaomi has really looked upon even the small details, and man, kudos to that. The title bars and the font size in all the apps has been increased, making it more friendlier for single hand use. Corners have been rounded more. In a way, it feels like we are using One UI and iOS together. Don't get me wrong, Miui 12 is indeed one of the most beautiful Android forks that I have seen. It's refined in every way. One thing I didn't like is that Xiaomi didn't include the live wallpapers for my phone. That's kinda sad, but you can install it later anyway. Now the next big change, the control center. And oh man, doesn't it look amazing? Now a swipe down from the right takes you to the control center, while swiping down from the left brings the notification panel. The animations, as you might have guessed, are here too. Every toggle has its own animation, and it's kinda cool. Digging into the settings app, at first you might not see a big difference, but there is. Go into any subsetting and boom, visualization everywhere. For example, if I open the about page, it shows me the storage left with a nice animation. The same goes to the battery page, privacy protection, screen time, etc. Talking about privacy protection, it's a new feature which lets you know which all apps use which all permission the most. Like you can see here that Instagram is using my location a lot, and WhatsApp is accessing my storage. You can block it if you want, or you can enable the notification option, which will show an icon in the top left corner whenever a risky permission is accessed. Going into a special features page, there's nothing much new here other than the floating window mode. Now you can swipe down on a notification to open that app in a picture-in-picture window. You can move it, resize it, and if you want to close, you can swipe up from the bottom bar. The camera app has also been redesigned a bit, making it match the other UI elements. Well, sadly, it's not present in my device, well, at least for this moment. So that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said before, this is the first build, so there are some bugs and lags here and there. If you want to try it in your phone, then keep watching. And by the way, if you liked what you've been seeing so far, subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon. It means a lot to me. Currently, the beta builds are available to like 10 devices, including K20 Pro. I have left the download links in the description, so download the one for your phone. And before you start, make sure to back up all your data, as we will be formatting the device. So in order to install this ROM, you need to have your phone's bootloader unlocked and OFOX recovery installed. First, you need to boot into recovery, and if it asks for your password, just type in your lock screen password. Then go to the wipe tab, select Dalvik, Cache, System, Vendor and Data. Then wipe it. Then go into the Files tab and select the zip that you have downloaded. Then swipe to install. After the installation has finished, go into Menu, then Manage Partition, select Data and then click on Format Data. You'll be asked to type yes, so do so. Since this is a Chinese beta build, there's no Google Play services. So if you want to access the Play Store, you have to flash GFS2. And you can also flash Magisk if you want root. Well, that's it. All you have to do now is reboot. The first boot will take some time, so wait patiently. So that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't, feel free to give me a thumbs down too. Also, follow me on Instagram because I post stories about the latest stuff there first. You can also contact me there if you need any help. Peace.